Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Roku media player. First, connect your Roku device to an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet to power on the device. Don't forget to insert the two included AAA batteries into your Roku remote control. Finally, turn on your TV and use its input button to select the correct HDMI input where your Roku is connected. This ensures your TV displays the Roku setup screen. Once your Roku is powered on, the first step is to select your preferred language from the on-screen options. Then, the device will scan for available wireless networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list that appears. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard and your remote. After entering the password, the Roku player will attempt to connect to the internet, which usually takes only a few moments. After connecting to the internet, you'll need to create a free Roku account or sign in if you already have one. You can do this on a computer or smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your new Roku player to your account. Once linked, you can browse the Roku channel store and add your favorite streaming channels, like Netflix or Hulu. You can also easily organize these channels on your Roku home screen for quick access. With your Roku player fully set up, you are now ready to start streaming. Explore the vast library of free and paid content available across thousands of channels. Use the convenient search function to quickly find specific movies, TV shows, or actors. Remember, you can always customize your home screen by adding or removing channels to suit your viewing preferences. Enjoy countless hours of high-quality streaming entertainment right from your couch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.